How to insert a video in PowerPoint presentation. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can insert a video in your PowerPoint presentation. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here should be opening up your PowerPoint presentation and going to the slide where you want to add a new PowerPoint. So I'll just add a new slide here, and after you're there, what you'll need to do is you can head over to the insert option on the top, and after you tap on it, you should see an option where you can add pictures and stuff like that. Now, there is another way where you can add your video, and to do that, you can simply head over to the video location, select the video, and drag it and drop it. And it should be that simple. Yeah, that's really simple. Now, all you have to do is insert it, and if you play it, it should start playing. And that is basically how you do it. It's that simple. You don't even have to go to the insert option and choose your picture or photo album from where you can import the video. So yeah, it's that simple. That is how you can add a video in your PowerPoint presentation. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.